This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about serving dishes, specifically these Voga Melamine Serving Sets. And we have 3 of them here to show you. The first is the 5-ounce square white triplet set. It's 8 3/4 inches long by 2 3/4 inches wide and 1 inch deep. And you can see each of those little wells has this nice little curve to it that gives it a lovely little bit of flair at the rim of each of those, especially where it's connected. It gives it just a nice little subtle hint of detail. The next is the 9-ounce square white triplet set. This one is 9 1/2 inches long by 3 1/4 wide by 1 3/4 inches deep. And you can see each of these have a lovely flare to the bowl, and they have this kind of concave shape to the edge of each of those rims, right? So it just gives it that nice little extra bit of style. And then it has these nice little kind of concentric ridges in the center that almost look like little water droplets for a nice little bit of extra detail. And then finally, we have the 9-ounce round duo. This one is 2 lovely, simple round bowls that are joined together by a raised portion in the middle. And it almost gives you a little handle there that makes it easy to grip and set down on your table or to move in between guests. So it's a nice little thoughtful detail on this one. The unit itself is 7 3/4 inches long by 4 inches wide and 2 inches deep. All of these are made from highly durable melamine, and they all have these unique design features and shapes that's going to give you a variety of stylish options in this white color that's going to act as a great neutral that's really going to allow you to put some flair into the serving of your sauces, dips, glazes, or other condiments and toppings for your meals. The melamine is durable and shatterproof, and it's scratch and break resistant as well. In addition to being dishwasher safe, which is fantastic because it makes cleanup easy. So these are perfect for other items as well. Think putting out things like pickles and olives, cocktail mixes and nuts, and a variety of other toppings for your meals, especially if you're going to do something fun like nachos, hot dogs, or tacos, and you want to put out extra salsas, toppings, so people can customize their plate themselves. These are versatile little serving dishes that are perfect for a variety of food establishments or just for use in your own home.